Hello, Oasis, and everyone over there at Oasis Construction. I hope you're doing well. My name is Charles, and I'm with Wally Digital. I thought I'd make you this short with a few recommendations for what you can do to help you get more and more clients. I noticed you had posted on Facebook a couple just last month, that you were. I know it's the season, and you're looking to close more and more contracts. So I thought I'd give you a few recommendations to help you get more and more clients coming organically to your business. And if you're wondering why am I doing this, I realize business owners are way too busy to learn this all about how to draw more clients to them, especially using digital marketing. There's so much information out there, so many people out there who claim they are the gurus, they know how to do things. But what ends up happening is that a lot of scammers use technical information. They don't speak plainly to you. And I thought I'd just give business owners this, short video showing three things that you can do to just help you immediately. You can implement them yourself, use someone else to implement them. No harm, no foul if you don't want to work with me. But I hope this helps you. All right, so the three things I want to talk about are content, citations, and backlinks. Content is everything that's on your site, meaning all the text, all the images, even the text behind the image. For example, whatever images are saved as, the alt text behind the images. It's important with Google to optimize. You need about 1,000 to 1,500 words of authoritative text content on your front page. Shows where exactly you serve, what exactly you do, and includes keywords. Keywords are those phrases that people search when they look for your business in Google. For example, if I go to Google and I'm looking for a kitchen remodeler, I'd say something like kitchen remodel Worcester, Massachusetts, and then I'd see the different companies that come up here. So this phrase here is known as a keyword, and that's what people type to search into Google. So if you have them on your site, Google then knows, okay, you're relevant to be put up for that search. So it's important to realize what your potential clients are searching for, what keywords they're using, and then make sure they're appearing on your site. A good way to do that is to look at your competitors and find out what keywords are on their sites. That's how they're getting found, especially the top competitors in different searches. Like, for example, these guys here, they're all your competitors. It's good to find out why they're searching, where they're getting to the top, and then implement those same strategies, but just do them a little bit more and a little bit more organically. Second thing I wanted to talk about was citations, and that has to do with this part of the map of the search, where you have a map and then three businesses with advertisements sometimes. So this is known as the map pack. And how do you rank higher and higher in here? A major factor is citations. A citation is anywhere on the internet that your name, address, and phone number are cited in different directories. For example, in Yelp, in Better Business Bureau, Dexnos, superpages.com, yellowpages.com, those kind of directories, Merchant Circle, etc. The higher in authority and the more relevant they are to your business, and the more in number than your competitors, the higher you'll start to rank here. That's a little known secret that not a lot of business owners have found out, I think. The third thing I want to talk about is backlinks. Now, a backlink has more to do with this area that's known as the organic searches here. Now, a backlink, if you think of it, it's a link from a different website linking to your website. So imagine if there's a forum on home contractors and they have a blog up and they have a link linking to your site, driving people to you. That's a backlink. In fact, that's a good backlink. It has more authority in Google's eyes because it's in the same niche and it's by a relevant site. Not all backlinks are the same, because if there's a McDonald's in California linking to you, that doesn't make sense, and Google can recognize that, and those are spammy backlinks. And just a tidbit: whenever different marketers and whatnot say, "Hey, I could give you so many backlinks for your site and whatnot," a lot of them are doing this. They're giving spammy backlinks to people and then showing in a report, "Yes, I've given you backlinks," but you are not seeing any results. You're not seeing yourself climbing high in the searches, or you're not becoming more relevant because most likely you have spammy backlinks. It's good to research what your competitors have and as backlinks, so that you can know how many healthier backlinks you need and what number, and then start to beat your competition. So those three things: backlinks, citations, and content. I'm sure you'll start to rank higher and higher in searches. These kind of relevant searches like bathroom remodel in Worcester, etc. Whatever your business does, and you'll start to see more clients come in organically, naturally, because they're searching for you and your services, and you're showing up. Again, I'm Charles. Thank you very much, and have a great day. Bye bye.